All right, so we've seen how to create files, we've seen how to move and rename them. The last thing we'll talk about is removing or deleting files. So it's pretty straightforward. This is a super quick video. The command that we need to use is rm, stands for remove. It's important to note, however, that this is only for deleting files. In the next video, we'll talk about deleting directories. It's a little trickier. So to delete a file, it's just rm space the name of a file. So in this case, inside of stuff, I type ls. There's goat.txt and catpics. If I want to remove goat.txt, it's just rm goat.txt. And now if I type ls, it's gone. And all that's left is catpics. So just like some of the other commands we've seen, we can also pass in multiple arguments to be removed as long as they're all files. And we just separate them by spaces. All right, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Here I'm back in my dog photos directory. And let's go into Rusty Pics. 2 files. I'm going to start by removing treats.txt. So you can see it's in there right now. I'll do rm treats.txt. I type ls, and it's gone. Something to note, we don't get any sort of warning. It's just immediately gone, and it's gone forever. I can't Command Z my way out of that one. So just something to be aware of. Unlike when we drag something to the trash, where you can recover it in the trash can, this file is not in the trash can. So let me remake a new file just so I can show you how to delete 2 things at once. I'll call this one test.txt, and let's remove test.txt and Rusty Puppy. So that is rm Rusty Puppy space, and then the other file name. And as many as we want, we could keep going, but we only have 2 files. So I do that, and now we have an empty directory. Everything's gone. Okay, so that wraps up rm. That's all there is to it. It stands for remove. It allows you to remove files, but not folders or directories. That's up next.